It's a great day to be able to bring the last Estonian contingent from the Helmand province back home. It's been many years that we've served here alongside the Americans, the British, the Danish, other allied and partner nations. The morale is good, and I'm sure that it's been good all along. We've taken some casualties, and obviously today is also a day to remember their sacrifice and to think of their loved ones. But the question I've been asked quite often is, has it been worth it? And I'm sure it has been worth it. I'm extremely proud of Estonian servicemen and women who've served here. I was just told that some of our soldiers who are leaving today are here for the 5th time already. Many are here for the 2nd, 3rd or 4th time. They are very professional. They are very highly regarded by their brothers and sisters in arms, American, British, Danish, others. So I'm extremely proud. I think that Estonian soldiers are among the best in the world.